recognizes multiple voices and knows your preferences based on the voice. Okay? So why don't you give it a try?
Okay. Hi, Bixby. Play my morning brief.
Good morning, Joe. Here is your morning brief. You have sales meeting at 8 a.m. Meeting at 12:15 p.m. Samsung CES 2018 press conference at 2 p.m. Followed by team meeting and working dinner at 6 p.m.
Okay.
Have a great day, Joe.
That's good. Working hard, man.
Typical day, typical day.
Working hard.
I'm curious. How about yours?
Right? Okay. Hi, Bixby. Play my morning brief.
Good morning, you. Here is your morning brief. You have Samsung CES 2018 press conference at 2 p.m. Racing at 3:30 p.m. College football championship at 5 p.m. Followed by CES party at 11 p.m. Have a great day, you.
They're both accurate, actually, aren't they?
Yeah, well, that's work for me.
Yeah, I know.
So look, this is just a sample of possibilities. Simple, convenient, and personal. There will be more examples showcased in the Samsung booth, so I encourage everyone to stop by. Thank you very much.
Thanks, you.